We're at gotomath.com working some calculus. Let's scroll down so we can see what's going on. Implicit differentiation, that's going to be the section that we are in. And let's find 1-1. There we go. Okay, so it says find y prime. Now if you're new to this section, like it says implicit differentiation, we have an implicit form. And in this particular case here, we can actually solve for y. But usually when there's a 2 here or y times x, which we'll see here shortly, it makes it a whole lot more difficult to solve for y. So let's go ahead and write this down and work an example, and you shall see the pattern. So let's now move over to the whiteboard. We have 2x squared plus y, and that is equal to 7. So this is the way this works. We don't want to solve for y in this equation. What we're going to do is take the derivative of each term. Now we're trying to find y prime. Most of the time you might actually see it written as find dy over dx, but it's just a whole lot easier to work with y prime, and I'll show you that here in a second. At least it's less you have to write. This right here says that we're going to take the derivative of y with respect to x. But this means pretty much the same thing, except you're not saying with respect to x. Okay, let's get started. If you take the derivative of 2x squared, you get 4x. Now, if we take the derivative of y, we get 1. Just pretend like this was an x right here. Taking the derivative of x, you would get 1. But if we're trying to find y prime or dy over dx, if you take the derivative of y, we write its derivative, but then next to it we're going to write y prime. Or you could be writing dy over dx. And the derivative of 7 is 0. So now what we're going to be able to do here is go ahead and solve for y prime in this equation. So we end up with y prime is equal to negative 4x. And we're done. All right. That's simple. Okay. Let's move back to the page. And there we go. Y prime is equal to negative 4x. So it's not too bad. We got lots of problems in this section where you'll see these worked out, and you can practice yourself. All right. So I'll see you there. Bye.